Hello, my name is Alkis Astiakopoulos, and this is the second part of testing steps for EPSILON International Pilot forest fires performed on the 23rd June of 2011 under Task 3.3 Trials and Evaluation of Services. Into this test procedure, we'll check the ingestion of dynamic datasets into GeoServer and the functionalities that are provided. This test is applied selectively only for probability of ignition datasets. Common testing process is followed for all our dynamic datasets. So, the first test we check is ing.fan.03, through which we check if we can connect to Briseid FTP server and to push our available dynamic datasets. So we are trying to connect through FileZilla FTP client to Briseid 03 host. I'm typing the username and the password of EPSILON. And I can see that I am connected to Briseid FTP server. Into the ingestion data directory, I want to copy a specific dynamic dataset for a specific date time. I check the dataset of probability of ignition for the date of 17 of May of 2011. So with right click I select upload. Okay, and after some seconds I realized that zip file has been uploaded to the ingestion data directory of Briseid FTP server correctly. With this zip file must be disappeared in a few seconds to check if this ingestion service has processed correctly. So I click refresh and I see that the zip file I already uploaded, has been disappeared. So this layer has to be uploaded into the Briseid 01 server, and this is something that I want to check right now. I'm connecting into Briseid 01 server. I click on layer preview. I'm sorting the outcome, and I'm searching the probability of ignition for the specific date time I made the upload. So this is the layer I uploaded previously, and now I want to check if all functionalities to publish layers are available. So I click to view the WMS the WM service, and specifically the JPEG. I see that the WMS service is working, uh, and this functionality is provided through Brisade server. Next test I want to check is if the change of coordinate system is allowed into the map. Um, so so I click on demos, WCS request builder. I'm selecting the WCS version we are using. It is the 10101. The coverage name of the file. This is the layer we just uploaded to GeoServer, and I select the spatial subset, and the coordinate reference system I want to have through the get coverage request. So the output format I want to use is the GeoTIFF, and I click get coverage. Okay, get coverage request has run correctly, and this is the link through which I can see the GeoTIFF of this request. I copy paste it in a new tab, and I can see that this GeoTIFF can be saved locally into my computer with the specific extent I have set, and with the coordinate system I chose previously. I click to save, and now I will try to see the outcome of this request. This is the file that was downloaded through request, and I am opening it with Adobe Photoshop. So this is the outcome of get coverage request for the specific coordinate system of Greek grid that we have selected. The next step I want to check is not applicable. I'm referring to ing.fan.12 because the pre-processing formats that are provided are not available to be checked through GeoPortal. Commonly, next test ing.per.01 and por.spt.01 cannot be checked through GeoPortal. So I proceed to por.spt.04 testing, through which I want to check the time resolution of our dynamic dataset. If this time value follows at least one of these formats. So I come back to Brisade server. I click layer preview, and searching again the probability of ignition dataset for the specific date time I made the upload. This one is the correct. So I click open layers, and I can see that time dimension is implemented correctly to this dataset, and the structure of time that is supported is this one. So clicking the time domain I want to check and to see the outcome of the map. For example, I check for the forecast date of 19 of May, and for the forecast time 8 in the afternoon. I click this layer to be added to the selection, and to send the request and send the request to view the map. So the new request has been implemented correctly, and this is the map outcome for the specific forecast date for this dynamic layer. I click into the map, and I can see also the value of probability of ignition for specific layer. Thank you.